Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the render cache in DaVinci Resolve. Let's launch DaVinci Resolve. Here, you can see that I have a lot of projects saved on my drive. You'll want to delete the render cache when you finish working on a project because it frees up a lot of storage space on your drive. If you don't delete it, that render cache can get absolutely massive. I'm going to show you two ways to do this, one project by project, and then the nuclear option, where you clear out all the render caches at the same time. To clear the render cache for a single project, open any project from your project panel. Now, in the top menu, click on Playback. In the pop-up, go down to Delete Render Cache, choose All, and then all we need to do is press Delete. This only deletes the render cache for the current project. Now, doing this one project at a time can be kind of a pain, especially if you have a lot of projects, so let me show you how to clear all the render caches in one go. To do that, click on DaVinci Resolve, go into Preferences, and make sure you're on the System tab. From there, look for Media Storage, and you'll see the location where DaVinci Resolve is storing all of its cache files. Unfortunately, you can't go to the location from here or copy the location address, so we'll have to find it manually. Remember the address shown here. Let's close this window and go to that address. Open this PC. In my case, the location was inside the C drive, then the Users folder, the User folder, and then the Videos folder. Here, you can see the cache clip folder for all of our projects. To delete these cache files, just go inside the folder, select everything by pressing Ctrl-A, and then delete them. One extra tip is that if you know you're going to be doing this pretty often, just add this folder to your favorites. That way, you don't have to go hunting around for it every time. You can jump straight into the folder and delete the cache files in seconds, which is a huge time saver if you're doing this every month. Now, right-click on the recycle bin and click on Empty Recycle Bin. And that's how you can delete the render cache in DaVinci Resolve. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.